Sir, in Lairai Devi Jatra matter, you had made some submission. What was that?
We have told the court that we have taken all the precautions this time to avoid any untoward incident this year. The court was satisfied with it and court has disposed of the petition. There was one more issue that one proceeding that is going on before the Mamletdar for taking action against the committee. That we have said that those proceedings will be completed in a time-bound manner. Based on that, court has disposed of the petition. Court has further said that in case there is any requirement as far as petitioners are concerned, they can approach the court and they can request a court for any other relief. So as of now, the court is satisfied with the action and the precautions which the government has taken, and court has disposed of the petition.
Sir, any specific details regarding precaution to be taken?
Several precautions are taken. In fact, there was a meeting held at the high level and there those decisions are taken. Traffic will be regulated properly. The shops will not be allowed to be erected very close to the road. So several things are taken. Proper police personnel will be available at the site. Complete monitoring will be there. So several measures are taken. They are part of the record of the government and it is also in the public domain also.